Hello and welcome back to Photoshop tutorial. This one I'm going to show you how to add items to your library. I'm going to show you how to add multiple items very, very quickly and at scale as opposed to going one at a time. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go to my Finder here and I've got 50 flares selected. I'm going to drag and drop all 50 of them. And if I don't do anything, you'll see that they're coming in one at a time. Hold down the Enter key and watch. They're just going to quickly add them in 1 through 50. Now, once this is done, and it'll take a few seconds, there we go. We've got 50 things that we're going to be putting into our library very quickly. The next step, go to Window, make sure there's a check mark beside Libraries. Here it is for me. So there's our library. I'm not going to click on Create New Library. What you want to do is click on the hamburger menu and then Create New Library from Document. This gets everything. Now I'm going to take 50 smart objects and I'm going to go Create New Library. This will take a few seconds and that's pretty much all there is to it. The only thing that you'll also want to keep in mind is it doesn't name them very well. The libraries are called untitled unless you go in and make some changes. So that could be done here. I'm just going to back out. I'm going to go to untitled. I'm going to right click on it and then I'm going to hit rename and I'm going to call these flares. And then presto, there, it's added in. When I click on that, all 50 of my flares were added in and it took about 90 seconds. Thanks for watching. Ton more stuff coming up.